In this video, I will show you how to install the Gmail app in Windows 11. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started, what you're going to want to do is open up a Google Chrome browser, so you do need Google Chrome to do this, and once you've done that, you want to come across to your Gmail account. So come across to gmail.com and log into your account. Now, once you're logged into your account, what you want to do is come up to the top right hand corner, click onto the three dots just up here, and on this menu that comes up, you want to come down and hover over the option which says cast, save and share. Then what you're going to see is a submenu come up, and you're going to see in this submenu an option to install page as app. So what you want to do is give that a click. What's going to happen is a window is going to pop up like this, asking to install the page as an app. At this point, you can name the app if you want as well, but for myself, I'm going to leave it set to Gmail, and then all you would do is click on to install. Now, what that's going to do is open up a separate window, and what this has now effectively done is it's installed it as a separate app. So if I actually close this down, you can see it's here installed on my desktop, and if we double click onto this, it's going to load up Gmail as an app separate to the internet browser. So that's how to install Gmail app in Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.